Hello everyone. Today I have with me the latest Lenovo smartphone, the Vibe X. The phone is currently available in the UAE for 1700 dirhams. As you can see, it enjoys a really sleek and nice design. It's a 5-inch Android device. It's very light and thin. It's 121 grams and 6.9 millimeters thick. The device runs on the Android Cherry Bean. It's your average smartphone for an Android phone. And the bottom you have three virtual buttons. Here you have the power button, the volume controls, and the SIM card goes here. In the back you have 13 megapixel camera, and in the front you have a 5 megapixel camera. Here is a quick comparison with the K900, which was launched last year by Lenovo. It's a 5.5 inch phone. It looks more business oriented phone. Here is another comparison of the Vibe X with more familiar smartphones, the Samsung Galaxy S4 and the LG G2. As you can see, the Galaxy S4 is thicker, heavier, but a bit shorter. This is the phone next to LG G2. Another comparison I wanted to do is with the thinnest smartphone out there, which is the Huawei Ascend P6, 6.1 millimeters. The difference is not that much, but each one, of course, has its own design. One of the things I like about Lenovo is the packaging. As you can see, I'm not going to do the whole thing about the unpacking, but I just wanted to show the package. Now going back to the menu, to the phone itself, it has a couple of interesting themes I like. My favorite is the idea word, the one I'm currently using. You can of course look at the other themes and how the phone and how each screen will look like if you use that theme. Moving on to the app tray, here are the apps that are running. It shows you how much memory are you using out of the RAM. You can just remove whatever you want, or you can just remove them all. Now, of course, you can customize the screens on the desktop if you want to say it. You can add and remove screens as much as you like. One of the apps I wanted to show is the Share It, which is a Lenovo app. Of course, it runs on all Android devices. You can download it for free from the Google Play. It allows you to send and receive files, whatever, like videos, audio, photos between devices. It doesn't require Wi-Fi or internet connection. It transfer files through the Wi-Fi hotspot that your phone can create. So here, for example, I'm gonna be sending a couple of photos, like we're talking about 67 megabyte. It will go through in like 10-15 seconds. Here I select the receiver, and now the process has started already. And as you can see, it's almost done. And then now, in a few moments, you will see the images that I transferred on the new phone, which is the LG G2. There you go. The camera, as I said, is 13 megapixel. It's a wide angle. It has a few interesting features like the panorama, the HDR, the low light condition shooting, the continuous shooting. You have the macro, you have the beauty, you have the night shots. I'm gonna try here now the macro. I'm gonna be focusing on the Coke logo. The text will still be visible, will be clear. Now you will see the final result. Here is the image. It's a good photo for a smartphone. You have different filters and color effects here. For example, you can add some glitter to your photo. The one on the right has this effect. If you look at the one in the middle, it's an HDR, so you can see it's a bit more exposed than the one on the left. Moving on to one of the other filters, this one you can just play around with, and you can create some interesting photos, as you can see. Here are more shots at night using that filter again. Now the tilt is a very nice one as well. It allows you to have focus on a certain spot of the photo and to have the rest to be blurry. Of course, you can do this while you're shooting and after shooting. So here, for example, I took the shot. You see that the one in the middle is the one that is clear and exposed. The rest is blurry. Now, if you would be expanding the exposure area, more areas of the photo will be visible. I mean, notice that's the one on to the right as I'm pointing now. It's blurry. If you again expand the area of the exposure area, it will be visible again. Here's another example. You can see the background. More shots I took. Here are the different colors and filters. This is a night shot with HDR. More photos I took with the phone. The last bit I want to talk about is the power management. We've seen this in the K900 and it's here as well. It shows you the expected running time of the battery on the current charging, of course. Now, if you start to remove some of the features, the battery life will go longer. And this app, of course, also shows you the running apps and the power consumption as well as the hardware, as you will see now. The phone is really nice. The price is really good. 1700 dirhams is really nice. It has some decent features, so try it out.